Today I'm showing you how to transform your social media workflow with AI formulas in Google Sheets. You'll see how to use two powerful functions, Vision for analyzing images and IMAGEN for creating them, to automate caption writing across all your platforms. I've uploaded image URLs in column B and we can use the equals image function in column A to see what they look like. Now let's build our AI social media manager workflow. Navigate to extensions, gives AI for Sheets, gives custom instructions. Tell the AI about your brand. You are a creative social media manager for an eco-friendly fashion brand called Green Glow. Write on brand, friendly, and engaging captions. No extra text. In cell C2, let's write equals vision C1, B2. See how it instantly analyzes our product shot and creates a caption. Let's make this more efficient by modifying our formula to equals vision C$1, $B2. Now we can drag this across our platform columns to create tailored captions for each social network. Notice how it adapts our product and promo posts differently for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. No images. Create them with IMAGEN. Type equals IMAGEN, a woman wearing eco-friendly summer clothing walking along the sunny beach, with ocean waves in the background, barefoot, carrying a reusable tote bag, bright and natural colors, eco-conscious vibe. Display it with equals image B4. Now apply the same vision formulas to generate platform-specific captions. With this AI Copilot setup, you've transformed hours of social media work into seconds, creating branded content that's consistent across all platforms with just a few formulas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and follow my channel for more AI productivity hacks. Drop a comment below with what AI formula you want to see next.